All right. I'm Eric.
I'm Eric. This is me, Eyes.
And National is the best hardware store in the valley.
Yeah.
You agree?
It's your first time in here?
Yeet.
What do you think?
I love it.
You want to come back?
Yeah.
Like a kid in a candy store, huh?
Yeah.
You think when you're your dad's age you'll bring your son here?
Yeah.
How long you
And I
been
found a
coming
quarter
here?
on the ground.
20 years.
So your dad brought you here?
He might have. I don't remember that, but
Or? Yeah.
on my own, I've been coming about 20 years.
So why do you guys keep coming back? Why do you keep coming back?
It's got a great selection. Hard to find items. You can always find here.
And get free hats.
Some of us get free hats.
I got a free hat.
Show us your monkey.
Monkey.
What's his name?
Monkey. I bring them everywhere. And I sleep with them every night.